Chapter 5 are organ systems. Let's learn about skeletal system, respiratory system, excretory system, muscular system, nervous system, digestive system, circulatory system. Our body is like a machine. All machines are made up of smaller parts. For example, a laptop is made up of keys, screen, etc. Our body also has many parts. The smallest part of our body is called a cell. Cells are the building blocks of our body. Many cells join together to form tissues. Similar tissues join together to form organs. Organs help us to carry out our everyday activities. Cells, tissue, organ system, organism. Some organs work together to do a similar kind of work. They form an organ system. All the organ systems together make up an organism, such as an animal or a human being. Infobit. You can see a cell through a microscope only. Let us learn about some organ systems. Skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of bones. There are 206 bones in the human body. Without the bones, the body would become limp. Functions. It gives shape and support to the body. It also protects the organs inside from injury. Skeletal system. Muscular system. The fleshy part under our skin is made up of muscles. Muscles are present all over one body. Together, all our muscles form the muscular system. There are about 600 muscles in the human body. Functions. It helps in the movement of the bones. It helps us to jump, walk, run, play, laugh, eat and bend in various other ways. Digestive system. The digestive system is made up of the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and the anus. Functions. It breaks down the food that we eat into a simpler form. This food gives us energy to study, work, play and grow. The breaking down of food into a simpler form to provide energy is called digestion. Digestive system. Respiratory system. The main organs of respiratory system are nose, windpipe and lungs. Functions. The respiratory system help us to breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. The air taken in by nose reaches lungs through windpipe, where lungs take in oxygen from the air and give out carbon dioxide. This oxygen burns the food we eat and gives us energy. Breathing in, breathing out. Respiratory system. The air we breathe in is called inhaled air. The air we breathe out is called exhaled air. Nervous system. Our sense organs and nerves help to carry messages to the brain about things happening around us. Nerves are wire-like structures in our body. The brain controls all our activities. It controls our thoughts and feelings. The brain exercises its control over the body through nerves which connect it with other parts of the body. The nerves along with the brain and spinal cord make up the nervous system. Function. It helps us to think, act and learn. It carries messages to different parts: nervous system, brain, spinal cord. Infobit. Your brain is the boss of your body. It controls just about everything you do, even when you are asleep. It can be compared to a computer. It helps to learn, think, remember and act just like we need to exercise our body to keep it fit. We also need to solve puzzles and attempt quizzes to keep our brain active and alert. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood vessels and blood. Functions. It carries blood to all parts of the body. The heart pumps the blood which moves through tubes called blood vessels. The blood carries digested food and oxygen to all parts of the body. Circulatory system. Excretory system. The major organs of this system are the two kidneys. Functions. It helps to remove waste substances such as urine from the body. It maintains a steady, balanced chemical concentration in the body. Excretory system. Infobit. The skin too contributes in removing waste materials from the body through sweating. Key points. The smallest part of our body is called a cell. Many cells join together to form tissues. Similar tissues join together to form organs. Organs that work together form an organ system. Different organ systems in our body perform different. Chapter